Yes, stop motion.
Hey guys, it's LPS Stop Motion here with Kat, me.
Zelo Leakin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're close to saying my cousin's name.
Yeah.
Yep. So, me and LPS Stop Motion are reviewing. Please hold it up. The Paper Towns microscope. This was released when I was way a little bitty baby. You're not a little bitty baby. But I got it at the age of 5, then I lost it, then I got it again this year. So thank you for watching.
And in the next video, he will be showing
the
us.
Buffett Beats.
Yeah. And nextly, then the video after that, he'll be showing one of the songs. He will sing one of these songs on here.
Yeah.
So bye.